Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. So I just hope आपकी studies हो रही हैं. You all are preparing for your board examination properly, and I think you all are giving your best also. So I just hope everything was fine, and you all are focused toward your studies. So children, in the previous one videos, we are studying the chapter therapeutic approaches. And in all the videos, I have discussed with you different kind of therapy. So we have discussed a different kind of therapy which can be used to reduce the psychological de-stress of the person and to solve the psychological problem of the client. In today's video, I am going to start a new chapter, which is a chapter 6 of class 12 CBSE NCERT, which the chapter name is Attitude and Social Coordination. So this is a chapter which is just after the therapeutic approaches chapter. So let's study the new chapter with me. I hope you also will enjoy studying with me, and I think your concept will be getting more and more better. Now, shall we start? So the name of the chapter is Attitude and Social Coordination. Attitude and Social Coordination. This is the name of the chapter. This is a topic, children. It has taken from one of the branch of psychology. If you remember, when you are reading the basics about the psychology in the class 11, the chapter 1, the branches and the field of psychology. So how many branches are there? There are so many branches. So out of so many branches, one of the branch of psychology which is a social psychology. So this is a chapter which you can relate it from the branch of psychology which is a social psychology. ये एक ब्रांच है सोशल साइकोलॉजी, वहां से ये टॉपिक को लिया गया है, एटीट्यूड एंड सोशल कोऑर्डिनेशन. So first of all, children, you should know what is social psychology. So social psychology is that branch of psychology which investigate how the behavior of individual is affected by others and how we are influenced by other person, how others are influencing us, how we form an opinion about other. We make an attribution, we make an attitude, we change our attitude, we form the attitude. Attitude can be formed, it can be changed. So every process are going on. We show the pro-social behavior. Okay, so all these things are the part of social psychology. It is a branch which deal with the people, which relate you with the society. So with this introduction of the branch, we will start our topic, which the first topic of which belong to this chapter is nature and components of attitude. This is the topic. Nature and components of attitude. In this particular topic, children, we have to read about what is the nature of attitude, means what is the meaning of attitude and what are its components. So let's study about it. So let me rub it. So first of all, my heading should be attitude. Attitude. What is attitude? First of all, you should know, children, what is attitude. So attitude is nothing. First, don't link it with the word which layman person were using. जो layman persons होते हैं वो usually attitude को इसी वे में लेते हैं. Like if any person basically they link the attitude with the verbal communication or any kind of body posture and gesture also. So link this, you will find out, you will have observed some of the person were saying that उसमें बहुत attitude है. So that attitude is not considered here in this chapter psychology. Here attitude means thoughts, आपकी सोच, opinions, belief which you hold regarding any object. It can be any person, it can be any situation, or it can be any topic. So attitude क्या है? आपका जो व्यू पॉइंट होता है, आपकी जो पर्सपेक्टिव होते हैं दूसरों को देखने के, that is your attitude. तो this is the meaning of attitude. ठीक है? Attitude के components भी होते हैं. The attitude has 3 main components. What are the 3 main components? A, B, C. A, B, C से हम लोग component बोलते हैं. Attitude के component को A, B, C component बोला जाता है. A for or A denotes of affective. B denotes of behavioral. C denotes for cognitive. A denotes for affective, B denotes for behavioral, and C denotes for cognitive. So these 3 are the ABC component of an attitude. इन्हें ABC तो बोलते हैं, बट इनका सीक्वेंस क्या होता है? सबसे पहले कॉग्निटिव आता है, देन अफेक्टिव होता है, एंड देन थर्ड इज द बिहेवियर. सीक्वेंस में ये ऐसे आते हैं. कॉग्निटिव यानी पहले कोई भी whatever something any kind of thought came into person's mind, then due to that thought the person feel it, which is an affective component, and then the person do any kind of action, that is a behavioral component. So first is cognitive, then affective, and then behavioral. So I hope it is clear to you all. Let me go in the description. हम इसे डिस्क्राइब भी करेंगे, डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाएंगे इसके. So children, are you understanding about attitude and what are the components of an attitude? ABC component. I told you that I will go in the description, and so in the description you should know that you have to define what is cognitive component, what is affective, and what is behavioral. इन सभी को आपको define करना पड़ेगा. For example, cognitive component is related to the thought. Like cognition word was attached to it. So cognition is basically related to the thinking part. तो सोचने से related होता है, cognition यानी thought से related है. उस thought की वजह से अगर आप में कोई feeling आ रही है तो that is an affective component, and behavioral is related to the action. For example, let us take a topic. A topic, one of the example is given in your NCERT book also, and it was given in the boards, a very good example and very well explained. If you read it, you will be able to understand the concept in a more clear manner. Children, my suggestion for you all is that whenever you see the video, after watching the video, you will go through the NCERT also. so that make your concept very much clear. Okay, fine. So just go with the example. So example which was given in your NCERT is related to the green environment. एक topic है green environment कि हमें we should clean, we should make our environment clean, we should make our environment greenery, do not cut the trees, stop cutting the trees. तो ये सारे कुछ topics हैं. तो ये जो मैंने अभी whatever the statement I have told, so that are my thoughts. Somebody have a different thoughts also that we should cut the tree ऐसा. तो green environment को लेके everybody has some thoughts, opinions. So that is considered to be the cognitive component. Now, because of if I am feeling that we should make our environment green and we should plant more and more trees. तो ये हमारे it is my thought component, and because of that thought component, I am having an feeling also. Like I am very sensitive toward the trees, toward planting the trees and all. So I have a feeling of like joy, happiness, that yeah, we should plant a tree. Okay, and because of that I will do the action. So what is the action which we do? We go and plant the trees everywhere. So basically overall what I am trying to explain to you all कि होता क्या है कि whatever the opinions, कोई भी चीज़ हमारे माइंड में अगर आते हैं तो उनको उन थॉट्स के साथ बहुत सारे और भी बिलीव्स चीज़ें आती हैं, व्यू पॉइंट्स आते हैं और उनके साथ अफेक्टिव यानी फीलिंग भी अटैच होती है और फिर हम वैसा ही बिहेवियर करते हैं. Like for example, toward any teacher or toward any peer group. Okay, आपके कोई एज मेट्स हैं, क्लासमेट्स हैं, किसी क्लासमेट को लेके आपने एक कॉग्निटिव कंपोनेंट, एक एटीट्यूड फॉर्म किया है, एक थॉट फॉर्म किया है, जिसकी वजह से एक फीलिंग भी आपको आती होगी और उस फीलिंग की वजह से आप बिहेवियर करते हो. जस्ट टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. लाइक देयर वर टू पर्सन ए एंड बी. ए के टुवर्ड आपका बहुत अच्छा है कि ही इज वेरी हेल्पिंग पर्सन, शी ऑलवेज हेल्प मी, शी ऑलवेज केयर फॉर मी, शी ऑलवेज सपोर्ट मी वेन एवर आई नीडेड. सो ये थॉट की वजह से, ये थॉट है आपके माइंड में उसको लेके, तो उसके टुवर्ड आपके ये थॉट होने की वजह से आपकी फीलिंग भी अच्छी होती है उसके टुवर्ड भी और अपने लिए भी. देन वही चीजें आपके बिहेवियर में आती हैं. व्हाट इज you offer her whatever the things you will bring. ठीक है, आप उसको ऑफर करते हो, आप उसके साथ you will travel with her. Okay, you will go and have a party with her. तो इस तरह के कुछ behavioral actions भी आते हैं. Similarly, just opposite to that, if you have a negative attitude, a negative thought toward her, so your feeling will be hate, dislike. आपकी फीलिंग क्या होंगी? हेट होंगी, डिसलाइक. और बिहेवियरल क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द बिहेवियर, व्हाट विल बी द एक्शन? यू डोंट टॉक टू हर, यू डोंट रिप्लाई टू हर वर्ड्स, यू इग्नोर हर. ओके, तो हम जैसा भी एटीट्यूड जिसके टुवर्ड रखते हैं उसके टुवर्ड हमारी एक फीलिंग भी आती है और हम फिर वैसा बिहेवियर भी करते हैं. सो दिस इज एन एटीट्यूड and this is an ABC component of an attitude. I just hope you all have understand up to this much topic. But हमारा टॉपिक था नेचर एंड components of attitude. So इसमें it is such a long topic और ये अभी हमने सिर्फ हाफ पोर्शन कंप्लीट किया है. हमने ये पढ़ा है, we have read about what is attitude, what is the meaning of attitude and what is the components of attitude. Now what are the things which we have to study now in this one? The two things are left. The related terms, the terms which are related to the attitude, वो हमें थोड़ा सा पढ़ना है. And then we will read about the features of attitude. Features भी आपको इसी particular topic में बताने हैं. What are the features of attitude? So let's study about the features of attitude and the related terms. Okay, I'm rubbing it with the hope कि आपने इसे लिख लिया होगा. So attitude से related भी कुछ terms हैं. क्या terms हैं उन्हें हम पढ़ेंगे. So the related concepts of attitude are belief and values. Beliefs. Okay, beliefs and values. These are the two related terms with an attitude, but they are different from attitude. Okay children, are you getting? ये दोनों ही term attitude से related हैं, but they are very much different from attitude. So here we will discuss about what is belief and what is value. Belief क्या होता है? Whom we call the belief, whom we call the values. किसे हम belief कहेंगे, किसे हम values कहेंगे. Belief basically related to something which is exist, like in belief in some of the concepts. I'm trying to explain you like जैसे आप कोई चीज़ों का एक belief बनता है, एक धारणा बनती है. जैसे belief in God, belief in democracy, belief in green environment. ठीक है, बट वैल्यूज में शुड और ऑट आता है. द शुड एंड ऑट वर्ड, ऑट और मस्ट वर्ड के किसमें? वैल्यूज में. ठीक है, जैसे वैल्यूज में क्या होता है? वैल्यूज आर रिलेटेड टू द moral and ethical values, like everyone should be honest. Okay, you should work hard. You can say here in everything should word is you should work hard. Should word is there. You should be honest. You should be honest. You should be honest. Should. तो वैल्यूज की जब भी हम बात करते हैं तो शुड, ऑट, मस्ट, ये सारे वर्ड्स आते हैं. ओके, सो आई होप यू गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट द बिलीफ एंड वैल्यूज एंड सेग्रीगेट इट विद द एटीट्यूड. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी द फीचर्स ऑफ एटीट्यूड. Yes children, attitude also have different feature. So basically it was divided into 4 parts. There were the 4 features of an attitude. Features. 4 features, and first is balance. Second is extremeness. Third is centrality. You can write it in any sequence. It is not like that कि आप इसे sequence में लिखो. और next is simplicity versus complexity. Simplicity versus complexity. Simplicity versus complexity. Please note it down, these features. So there were the 4 main features of an attitude: balance, extremeness, centrality, simplicity versus complexity. These are the features of attitude. The first feature of attitude, balance, is saying that what is the attitude is, either it is positive or नेगेटिव और न्यूट्रल. जो पर्सन एटीट्यूड रख रहा है वो एटीट्यूड कैसा है? either the attitude is positive, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड है, नेगेटिव है या न्यूट्रल है. न ज्यादा पॉजिटिव है न ज्यादा नेगेटिव है. क्या है? न्यूट्रल है. तो दैट इज अ बैलेंस. Extremeness told that how extreme the attitude is. जो एटीट्यूड है वो कितना एक्सट्रीम पे है, ठीक है, कितना पॉजिटिव है और कितना, इट टेल्स द वैल्यू, ये बताता है व्हाट, और दिस टेल अबाउट द डिग्री, ठीक है, कितना पॉजिटिव है कितना नेगेटिव है, हाउ मच दे आर एग्री और डिसएग्री, और हाउ स्ट्रांगली दे आर एग्री एंड हाउ स्ट्रांगली दे आर डिसएग्री. Centrality, how much the person is holding attitude is in central, means neutral, कितना उनका attitude neutral है. Simplicity versus complicity, last one, that tell the attitude which the person is holding, is it simple or is it complex. How you can explain the simplicity and complicity? Again, if the person is having an attitude about any topic, about any person or about anything, only one, अगर कोई एक या दो एटीट्यूड रख रहा है किसी भी चीज को लेके, तो उस एटीट्यूड को हम सिंपल कहते हैं. बट उसी टॉपिक को लेकर इफ द पर्सन इज हैविंग अ मल्टीपल कंसेप्ट्स इन देयर माइंड, द मल्टीपल थॉट्स, तो दैट विल बिकम एन कॉम्प्लेक्स एटीट्यूड. A kind of web was made. That attitude was very complex, very confusing, very conflict based. ठीक है, not clear. So that is, attitude can be simple also, attitude can be complex also. The meaning which I am trying to explain you, just like कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि हम किसी भी चीज को लेके बहुत क्लियर कट होते हैं कि नहीं, I don't like this. So that is a simple attitude. But when you have so many thoughts, I like it also, I don't like it, maybe I like it, I think sometime I like it. So you are having so many attitude, so many thoughts. So that become a complex attitude. So these are some of the features of attitude: balance, extremeness, centrality, simplicity versus complexity. We will study this in some more detailed description, and before going through that one, I must say you that don't skip any of the topic for your board examination. Everything is important. This question was also asked in the previous year's paper, so be very much attentive toward it. Okay. Balance, extremeness, centrality, simplicity and complexity. I am clear to you all. ओके मैंने आपको सारी चीज़ें क्लियर कर दी हैं. सो वन बाय वन थोड़ा सा डिस्क्रिप्शन पे हम लोग चलते हैं. जैसे सबसे पहले है बैलेंस, पॉजिटिविटी और नेगेटिविटी. सो बैलेंस में ये बताता है, द बैलेंस टेल दैट जो एटीट्यूड पर्सन फॉर्म कर रहा है वो पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव है, न्यूट्रल है. सपोज एक टॉपिक है जिसे हम ग्रीन इन्वायरमेंट ही ले रहे हैं. ग्रीन इन्वायरमेंट पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर रेटिंग कराई जाती है 1 to 5 रेटिंग स्केल है, 5 पॉइंट रेटिंग स्केल है, तो 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 पॉइंट रेटिंग स्केल है. 3 इज द न्यूट्रल, दिस इज एग्री, डिसएग्री एंड दिस इज स्ट्रांगली एग्री एंड दिस इज स्ट्रांगली डिसएग्री. ठीक है, इस तरीके से है. ठीक है. So if on the topic of green environment, if the person is rating on this one or 2, so it shows they have an attitude positive. Okay, if the person is rating on 4 and 5 maximum, it shows their attitude is negative. But if the person is showing maximum on 3, it shows their attitude is neutral. So balance tells about whether the attitude is positive toward the topic, whether it is negative or whether it is neutral. Moving to the next one, extremeness. Please note it down, these things whatever we are discussing over here on the board. It will definitely help you to make your notes. So now about the extremeness. So obviously extremeness tells it जो attitude आपने hold किया वो कितना extreme पे है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर 1 और 2 पे रेट कर रहे हैं तो मैक्सिमम किस पे रेट कर रहे हैं, 1 पे कर रहे हैं कि 5 पे कर रहे हैं, कितना एक्सट्रीम में है एटीट्यूड, ये बताता है हाउ मच इट इज पॉजिटिव एंड हाउ मच इट इज नेगेटिव. द वर्ड हाउ इज अटैच ओवर हियर. कि अदर पर्सन ने मान लीजिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्रीन इन्वायरमेंट को लेके एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव है, तो वो कितना पॉजिटिव है, एग्री पे है या स्ट्रांगली एग्री है, और अगर नेगेटिव है तो कितना नेगेटिव है, डिसएग्री पे कर रहे हैं या स्ट्रांगली डिसएग्री पे कर रहे हैं, तो ये एक्सट्रीमनेस होता है। ठीक है, सेंट्रलिटी क्या होता है? दिस रिफर्स टू द रोल ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर एटीट्यूड इन द एटीट्यूड सिस्टम। An attitude with greater centrality would influence the other attitude in the system much more than non-central or peripheral attitude. For example, in the attitude toward world peace, a negative attitude toward high military expenditure may be present as a core or central attitude that influences all other attitudes in the multiple attitude system. Basically, central attitude centrality बताता है कि जो attitude आप फॉर्म करते, जैसे extremeness बताता है extreme की वैल्यू, सिमिलरली सेंट्रलिटी बताता है कि कितना उस टॉपिक को लेके जो पर्सन है वो न्यूट्रल है, हाउ मच द पर्सन इज इन द सेंट्रल, एदर द पर्सन इज इन द सेंट्रल और द नॉन सेंट्रल। नॉन सेंट्रल को हम लोग पेरिफेरल भी कहते हैं, नॉन सेंट्रल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पेरिफेरल। तो ये कभी कभी पूछता है पेरिफेरल, द वर्ड इज पेरिफेरल। ओके, लेट मी राइट इट ओवर हियर इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर so that it will be clear to you. It will become the non-central. Peripheral means non-central, जो कि ज्यादा सेंट्रल नहीं है। Simplicity, complicity, I explain to you. If the person is holding one attitude, one or two maximum, so they are having a simple attitude. But if they are holding more than one, so more than one or two, more than two or three, so it will become a complex attitude. So here I have completed my topic. I hope you understand it in a proper manner, and from this overall view you have an idea about the attitude system. So this is today children, in this video we have discussed the basics of the attitude, and I mean it is a very interesting topic. So just be with me and just keep watching the videos on a regular basis. So we will do some interesting things also and discuss with you so many things. So you can see attitude, how the attitude play a very important role, how the attitude see we are made up of an attitude. It is not like that you never heard about that, nobody saying I think ये जो words है opinions, belief, ये आप हमेशा सुनते आते होंगे, कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ होगा कि आपने इन वर्ड्स को नहीं सुना होगा या आई थिंक, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है, सो हमने क्या क्या चीज़ें पढ़ी, जस्ट यू हैव टू मेक इट रिकॉल ऑफ दिस वीडियो। वी हैव रेड अबाउट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एटीट्यूड and we learn what are the different components. We learn about the affective component, cognitive component, behavioral component. We understand it with the help of an example of green environment. We also get to know the two related concepts which is different from an attitude, which is belief and values. Belief or values are not considered to be the attitude, उन्हें हम एटीट्यूड नहीं कहेंगे। देन वी विल रेड अबाउट द फीचर्स ऑफ एटीट्यूड. वी रेड दैट देयर आर 4 मेन फीचर्स: बैलेंस, एक्सट्रीमनेस, सेंट्रलिटी, सिंप्लिसिटी वर्सेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. सो इस पूरे वीडियो में हमने आज ये सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी. Attitude की definition you should note it down, that attitude refers to the thoughts, belief, opinion, perspective which we hold regarding any object, any place, any topic, any person or anything. So I just consider children you understand whatever the things we will discuss today in this video. And I must thank you for carefully listening to me and observing. Thank you so much.